Hi guys! I had a problem. I was done with smudges on my new Magic Keyboard and the corners started to wear out and I don't like my stuff to get damaged, especially if it's this expensive. So I decided to get a skin for my Magic Keyboard. But when I was looking for one, well, I thought it was too expensive for just a sticker. So I made my own one and I'm showing you in this video how I did it and how you can make one too. All you need is, of course, your Magic Keyboard, a vinyl sticker roll. I bought mine from my hobby shop for less than $3, a scissor and a pencil, and a few wet wipes. And that's it. Let's get started. Take your vinyl and your Magic Keyboard or iPad, draw the shape of it on the back of the vinyl. Then cut it out. Narrow the edges by 5 mm because the Magic Keyboard has rounded edges and the vinyl will not stick. Now we have our sticker for the back. Put the sticker that you just cut out on another piece of vinyl, overline it and cut it out. This is how it should look like. Now you have two exactly the same stickers. I cut the front sticker where the line was on the Magic Keyboard. And here I'm also trimming away 5 mm on the borders. So now we have the hardest part, which is the hole for the camera. I overlined the shape of it and here I also made it narrow. Clean your surface with a wet wipe and dry it with a tissue. Now we have the hardest part sticking on the vinyl. Take out all the bubbles. You can still see the Apple logo, which is very good because I was scared I wouldn't see it anymore. Done with the front sticker and it's looking very good. And that's it. Now I have a skin for my Magic Keyboard. It's a little hard, but it's doable and I saved $30, so you can just give it a try. Anyway, thanks for watching, give this video a like and bye!